Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be joined by my 2-year-old, and I apologize. Today is my very first Boxy Luxe. I am so excited! It's huge! Okay, so there's a lot in here, so I'm just gonna do try and style, but we're gonna be going through it pretty quickly because there's a lot of stuff in here and I don't want to be here forever. Alright, I am not wearing makeup because there is a moisturizer cream in here. But here is the gigantic pamphlet, Boxycharm, and the theme is Sea Sun, which is adorable. It's the Sea Sun. So I'm going to go through everything, give you the price, and at the end I'll give you the total. So here's what I'm getting in this one. Hopefully that's the color of my little hair straightener. My girls have the thinnest hair ever, and that's great for their hair because my gigantic one is just too gigantic. So the first thing I'm going to do and go ahead and put on my skin is Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream, and this is $89. So I'm putting this on my skin real quick. This is supposed to do for fine lines and wrinkles, anti-wrinkle day cream. It's very luxe feeling and heavy, and it is huge. Sorry for my daughter. I feel like this is gonna last me a while, so oh my gosh, it smells beautiful. Beautiful, it smells so good. Okay, so the next thing in here is the Spongelle Body Wash Infused Buffer, and this retails for $20. And this is what's making this box smell so good. So it is like a little sponge. It's a little star and it's infused with body wash, and I've actually gotten one of these in a FabFitFun box, and mine smelled like lavender and chamomile, and it was amazing. I loved it. And on top of that, it was pretty exfoliating, so like that's pretty good. The next thing in the box is I'm excited for because of my girls, not my hair in particular because I don't have a lot of baby hairs and my hair is really long and this would take forever to curl, but this is the PYT mini hair straightener and it's $75. It does reach a maximum temperature of 400 degrees. And this is really tiny, really easy to travel with. Like I said, I'm going to be using this on my girls' hair because my straightener is way too big and I do like to style their hair a lot. So this is going to be perfect. I don't know what color I got, so we're finding this out. What? Bright yellow. I got bright yellow. Oh, this is so tiny. Oh my gosh. It's so tiny. Look how little that is. It's so small. Like they weren't joking. That is so for baby hairs. I don't even know what this is adorable. I love this. And it's bright yellow. I mean, color is fine, but this is so adorable. Oh. The next thing that is not makeup related is this Crimes of Beauty Wristlet and Portable Charger. And this is Glam AF. Okay, y'all. I am almost 32 years old. I do not say stuff like this. But this is a really nice sized wristlet. Like this is just perfect for leaving the house real quick. If you like wearing wristlets, I mean, pretty big. It is a nice size. You can put your phone, makeup, you can put a small notebook in here. You can put snacks. It's pretty big. And this charger, I'm interested to see how this works because my phone, since this new upgrade, has been dying and I have to charge it 3 times a day. I wish I was joking. I'm not. I'm not even joking. So this has a tiny little flap in here. You can't really see though because it's black. But it's got a little pocket, a little divider, so that's really cute. And I'm excited to see if that charger actually works. And this retails for $22. What I am super excited about, because you can never have enough of these, is the Luxie Complete Face Set. And these brushes include the Luxie round top blender, tapered highlighting, pro precision tapered blending, eye shading, flat definer, brow and lash spoolie, and a lip brush. So what we're doing today is for the rest of the makeup, I'm going to be using all of these brushes. And okay, I did look, oh god, I did look in this yesterday. I did wash these, but it still smells. It smells like a Sharpie. Like if you were to put your face in a Sharpie pen, that's what all of this smells like right now. This is actually really cute, y'all. I'm keeping this box because look. Alright, so you know in Saw, this is a horrible analogy, but everyone will know exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so you know in Saw where the girl gets her hands stuck up in the thing and the little metal things clamp around it and she has to pull her hand out, but it digs it in and eventually would amputate her hand? That is what's holding these brushes in right now. Except they're rubber and they're not going to amputate my brush. But look, it's like that thing. And it's so cool. And it holds them in. Oh my gosh. Okay, sorry, you can see the lipstick from yesterday because I took these out and I was like playing and jiggling with them. I just wanted to make sure that if I did this on camera, I wouldn't look real stupid. But I don't. This is so awesome. All right, I'm done. Okay, so we're going to be doing the entire face look with all these brushes. And I did wash them yesterday. But something still smells like a Sharpie pen. But we're going in with foundation first. By the way, these brushes, Luxie Rose Gold Complete Face Brush Set for $65. So I'm actually going to try and contour with this brush right here. I find it to be very interesting looking. And I feel like that would just contour really nicely. Let's move on to the eyeshadow. So the next thing in here is the Violet Voss Pro HG palette, and this is the Holy Grail palette, and it does remind me when I open it up, it's large by the way, you guys, like this thing is large. It does remind me of Modern Renaissance, except like more variety. So if you guys are a fan of Modern Renaissance, or if you are a fan of, I can't get this out, of neutrals in particular, just in general, then I think you guys are gonna love this. Look how beautiful this is. It is so pretty. Alright, so I'm gonna zoom you guys in. We're gonna go ahead and do one eye on camera, and I'm gonna use the mascara while I'm in there. And this is the Lorac Pro Lash Pomade. And this retails for $24. So I'm going to use that while I'm zoomed in. Alright you guys, well I just went ahead and did the other eye off camera. I am wearing the mascara and I don't like it at all. But I have pretty long lashes. I don't have issues making them look long, and this made them look even smaller than they are. But it's a good thing I tried it. I mean, I'll probably wear it when I'm doing fake lashes. Just to blend them in with my fake lashes. Let's go into the next product, which is the Wander Beauty Dusk to Dawn Blush and Highlight Palette. And this is $26. So let's apply this blush and highlight. Hi Pikachu! How are you? Oh, are you giving Pikachu a hug? This is the palette, and I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and use all three of these. I'm going to do the brighter blush right here, and then I'm going to do the softer blush on top of that, and I'm going to give myself some fake freckles. Yay. Alright, so I'm going in with the Luxie 522. Let's start with this color. It's this middle color here. Alright, so now I'm going in with the highlighter. Same brush.
Purple.
Purple! This is very warm, so I'm just going in with a tiny bit. So now for this lip gloss, I am going to be actually using this lip brush right here, and I'm gonna blend my lip gloss into my lipstick. So this is Strike Gold, and this is the Tarte Shimmering Lip Paint, and this is $20. And this is the color. It's really pretty. Alright, so now I'm going to blend that in with this brush, and let's see how this brush works. And I'm going to kind of give it like a blotted look. I don't want it very sharp on the outside. I actually want it very blended in looking on the outside. I've used every single brush except this. Now for this, I want to try and give myself some freckles. So I'm just going to do that real quick, and this look will be complete. Alright you guys, there is the final look, and that is all the products in the box. Alright, but first, let me give you guys the box total. Alright you guys, this box is $50, and it comes 4 times a year, every 3 months, and this box total is $386. And you saw all those products I got. So, definitely a great box this month. I really love this cute little look I created. I know that my lashes aren't long at all, but you know what? I really wanted to show off the product, and it did not show off very well. So I would say that was the one thing in the entire box I did not like, was the mascara. I can't say anything for the actual straightener, but I will be using that on my girl's hair. And if you are interested in other unboxings, I have a whole playlist. I'll go ahead and link it above for you. And that is all I have for today's video. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye! White! Okay, so... Ah! What did I do? Did I break it? No. So I... Blue car. And as of right now, I think I might put on flake. I'm not going to put on flakes. Alright, you guys, there is the final look.